Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about Prosperity Bank, and more specifically, I'm going to be walking you through a few ways that you can order checks for your Prosperity Bank account. So first, just a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding on what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your Prosperity bank account number and routing number on it. So the first thing you're going to do is open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox. Whatever browser you normally use will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Prosperity Bank website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, prosperitybankusa.com. You can also check the description for the link to Prosperity Bank. The first way to order checks is going to be by logging on to your Prosperity Bank account online. To do this, you're going to need a username and a password. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this screen. It doesn't look like this website actually has a mobile website, so it's a little hard to see, so you'll have to zoom in when you're doing this on your phone. But on the left side of the page, towards the top, you'll see a little box where you can enter your access ID and your password and then click log in. Now if you don't have an access ID and password yet, there's a button right under the passcode field that says enroll. You'll click on that and then just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to banking options and order checks online. Usually banks do have charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way that you can order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for Prosperity Bank. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your Prosperity Bank debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest place to find it. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the Prosperity Bank website, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky and not so straightforward to find that phone number that way. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find the customer service number for Prosperity Bank, please be sure to let me know in the comment section. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order your checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third way that I'm going to talk to you today about how to order checks is going to be through third-party vendors. To do this, you'll go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Prosperity Bank. I already have a tab with this open, and I've already typed in the search bar order replacement checks for Prosperity Bank. And what this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order checks. Some of these websites include Extra Value Checks, Bradford Exchange Checks, and Walmart Checks. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks this way is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact Prosperity bank account number and routing number. Unlike when you order from the Prosperity Bank website or through customer service, those numbers are not going to be automatically loaded, and so you'll have to provide them yourself, and it's extremely important to enter them accurately so that way you don't have to worry about things such as bounced checks occurring due to an incorrect number. So those are the ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information about Prosperity Bank.